Hey everybody, Foxy here. Got a bit of a different video for you all today. It's actually an unboxing. Haven't done one of these in I think over a decade now, with the last ones being the really god awful Bud K ones, where for some reason I felt the need to spray pepper spray into a box and smell it and go, oh, that's really powerful, or something ridiculous.
Damn, that smells putrid. Yep. My eyes are watering now. Bad idea.
I've recently been in communications with the owner of a clothing brand that I've been promoting on my channel recently. For no real other reason than, you know, artists that have a passion for what they do. Artists of all kinds, music, actual like painting or tattoo, or with me, I'm a florist, and all of this is art in its own way. And Yhama is a guy who creates all of his own clothing, and he just puts the designs that he wants to make on clothing and he sells it, and I just think that is really cool. Really nice guy. And because I was promoting his merchandise and his brand, he decided he wanted to send me a surprise bag of a bunch of goodies. I don't know what's in it other than clothing. He asked for my size and my fiance's size, and she's at work right now, but I'm sure she will very much like what is in this package. So let's get this underway. I don't know what, like I said, he gave me, but there seems like quite a bit of stuff in this. I was expecting maybe like one or two things, but it looks to me like there might be more. So, I don't know why people like showing this stuff off. I guess it's like a thing in the unboxing community. I will be unboxing this with a fake mantis knife, the Vujade. Yes, fake. Fun little thing. I contacted the company regarding this because I found it on Amazon, and they're like, yeah, we have no copyrights or trademarks to the design or any patents, so we don't really care if someone steals it. And I was just kind of like, wow, that's the most bizarre thing I've probably ever heard a company say about someone pretty much replicating a design. Anyway. So on top here, I think I know what this is. It's for my fiance. Let me kick back a little here. I think it's called the Kawaii Gunner. Kawaii Gunner. See that? That is so cool. Wow. And you know, it's really nice, actually, you know, with the quality. A lot softer than I expected. I don't know what I really expected, but, you know, sometimes when you buy shirts that claim they're like 100% cotton, and you feel it, and it's like, yeah, but it's like really rough. This is shockingly really soft. But yeah, that's really cool. I like that a lot. And I know that she's gonna love it too. Another t-shirt for my fiance. I don't remember the name of the... Oh, Open Your Eyes. Yes, that's the name of this one. Really neat design. Actually, really, this is one of my favorites, and one of her favorites as well. She's gonna love that. I know she will. That is really nice. Very cool. Very awesome. Like it a lot. That looks like some sort of hoodie. And it's an XL, so that's for me. Wow. Well, I can already tell you that this is probably... You'll think I'm bullshitting, but I'm really not. You'll think it's probably one of the softest hoodies I've owned. I know, obviously, when you wash it, that sort of thing kind of, gets a little rough on the skin if you don't wash it correctly. But wow, this is extremely soft. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. So I don't remember the name of this one. Kitsune something or other. I'll post all these in the description too. So, there's the front little logo meme on the top there, and then it's got some design on the arm, which of course I'm just awful at filming this, I know. And then the back is where it has the big graphic. Very nice. Extremely, extremely happy with this. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna put this bad boy on now, because for one, I'm actually kind of cold, even though it's damn near 90 degrees out. Oh yeah. I like that a lot. I really do. God damn, this is soft. I'm really impressed by that. Wow. Very soft, very warm. Better pizza, Papa John's, that sort of thing. Okay, so this is my favorite design that he has. I think it's called Projekt S.A.M. And me being a fan of, like, shooting games and guns in general and samurai, that sort of kind of weeb stuff, you know, I love this. I love everything about this. I think it's its coolest shirt, to be honest with you. Very nice. And man, you know, I keep saying this, but I'm really impressed with just the quality of the graphics and just the artwork in general and the softness of the shirt. You know, the shirt I was wearing underneath this, I got it from Hot Topic, right? The Tomie shirt, the Junji Ito stuff that I love, I got it from Hot Topic. And it was like a $30 shirt, or high 20s, and it started getting damaged after like the second wash. And I don't know what it is about that, but I've bought shirts from Hot Topic recently, Spencer's, just shirts in general that have gone up in price that have had little tiny holes very shortly compared to other shirts I've bought in the past that held up much better. So I don't know what it is about Hot Topic and Spencer's in general and their shirt quality, but it seemed to have gone majorly downhill since 10 years ago when I used to buy their stuff on frequent occasions. But yeah, you know, Yhama, God bless. We all love a good God bless, don't we? This, if I could hold it up right, that'd be a miracle. This is awesome. I love it. I'm gonna have to get this in a hoodie because I love the design so much. I don't know if that's weird to have a shirt and a hoodie with the same exact design on it. I guess it's not the same because it has a little bit different graphics on it as well, but I don't know if that's weird. I don't really give a shit because I just love it so much. So yeah, this is the Projekt S.A.M. I don't think I have a packing slip, so I know what the hell they're even called. Yes, okay. Black Kitsune hoodie. Obviously what I'm wearing. Really nice. And then, yes, this other black shirt is the Open Your Eyes. And then this last one here, the white shirt, is the Kawaii Gunner. Wow. Yhama, I did not expect that. You are awesome. Your clothing is awesome. And I wish you all the best. And I'm going to continue giving you shout outs because I really love what you're doing. And that's the thing, you know, like I said, I really, really strongly support artists. I really love promoting them. I don't have a problem with it, you know? So yeah, in closing, I just want to give a huge shout out to Yhama and his clothing brand. He did not have to send me all this stuff. In fact, he really didn't have to send me anything. But the fact that he did, words cannot come close to expressing my gratitude for Yhama. very, very much appreciated. You know, again, words cannot express how much I appreciate it. And I wish you nothing but the best in the future. I can't wait to see the content that you produce and put out there on your clothing store, and I will be a lifelong customer. So I want to thank you as well as the viewers of this video. I hope I kind of gave you an idea more of his clothing in person as opposed to just kind of, you know, running the ads on the video and just kind of like not seeing it in, I guess, person in a way. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Take care, and I will see you next time.